Good morning, students. Today, same lesson 1. So, we are going to see example 1.50. So, find the rank of each of the following matrices using minor method. So, okay, so method is important. If they mention using minor means we want to use this method only. One more method is there, that is row reduction method. After this problem, we can see that method also. Okay, so you listen. First one matrix is given, so you have to take the given matrix A. Solution. Let A equal to 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6. Okay. After writing A, you have to see the order of the matrix. So order of A is what's the order? Is it 1, 2, 3 row, 3 columns. So order is 3 by 3. The order of the matrix is 3 by 3. So anyway, that rank is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so rank we can get starting itself. Rank is so row of A. How I am writing? You see row of A less than or equal to 3. Okay. Next, after writing this, how to find the minor of, because the rank is less than or equal to 3. So, how to find the minor of 3 by 3. Okay. So, minor of 3 by 3. So, okay, minor of 3 by 3 means you have to find the determinant of 3 row, 3 columns. Okay. So, determinant 3. So, already in our question, the maximum is 3 row, 3 column only. So, 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 equal to. So, you know to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. The same method only there also we are going to use. So, you say first element is 3. So, first view the first one, first column. So, what are the elements remaining? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, next what you want to write? Minus. So, after finishing first part, you have to put minus. Next, second element 2 into next one. Now you have to do the first one, second column. Remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, next plus. Third one is 5. So 5 into. So now you will do the first one, third column. So what are the elements remaining? 1, 1. So you can write shortly also. Listen. 3 into. So multiply 1, 6 is 6. Let's see how to put 1 minus. Next 2 3s are 6. Okay, minus 2 into. Next one, 1 6 is 6 minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, next one plus 1 3 is 3 minus next here 1 3 is 5 into 3 minus 3 equal to, so 6 minus 6 is 0. So 0 and 3 into 0. Minus 2 into 6 minus 6 is 0 plus 5 into 3 minus 3 is 0. So all the values 3 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. Let's say 5 into 0, 0. Okay. So equal to 0. Shortly also you can do for determinants in any row. So common values there means we can check the common elements. You see the third row. So there are 3, 3, 6. All the 3 elements are multiple of 3. So take 1, 3 outside. What you get? 1, 1, 2. So the 2 rows are identical means we can say directly. So determinant is equal to 0. Without this calculation also you can do. So if you are taking 1, 3 common means how you write? You see here short method also you can use. 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 equal to. In third row 1, 3 is common, you take common. So remaining is 3, 2, 5, 1, 1, 2. From third row only you have taken. So if you are taking 1, 3 outside means what you get? Remaining 1, 3 is 3, 1, 3 is 3, 2, 3s are 6. Now see these 2 rows are identical. So we can't say the determinant value is 0 equal to 0. So shortly we can do. Okay. So normal method is this. Okay, that's how I explained like that. Okay. So we got the determinant of 3 by 3 is 0. Minor of 3 by 3 is 0. If you are getting minor is not equal to 0, we can stop. We can say the rank is 3. So but here we got got equal to 0. So again we have to do minor of 2 by 2. Okay. Okay, next step is, so after getting 0, now you can say that for rank of A, so row of A, so 3 is not possible, so less than 3, that means less than or equal to 2. Okay, less than or equal to, so 2. Okay, next 2 by 2 minor. Okay, 2 by 2 means, so 2 row, 2 column. You see, first minor I am taking 3, 2, 1, 1 equal to. So now you find the determinant. 3, 1 is 3 minus 1, 2 is 2. So what we got? 3 minus 2 is 1, which is not equal to 0. We can say, isn't it? So not equal to 0 means we can stop. Okay. So we got the rank. The rank of the matrix is, that is row of A equal to, when we got not equal to 0. Minor is 2 by 2. So rank is 2. So row of A equal to 2. Okay, that's all. So first we have to write the given matrix. Next order of the matrix, then we are guessing row. So rank is less than or equal to 3 because minimum of 3 by 3 is 3. So that's why we can't say less than or equal to 3. First we are finding 3 by 3 matrix minor. So if you are getting not equal to 0 means we can't say the rank of A is 3. But here we got equal to 0. So next we have to find 2 by 2 minor. In 2 by 2 minor we got not equal to 0. So that's why rank of A equal to 2, row of A. Okay. So that's all. Okay, next second subdivision, same method, same minor method only. One more subdivision is there. Second subdivision, that is 4, 3, 1, minus 2. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 6, 7, minus 1, 2. Okay. So same method only here also minor method. First you have to write the given matrix. Let A equal to, okay, let A equal to 4, 3, 1, minus 2. Next minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, 4, 6, 7, minus 1, 2. Okay, so after writing A, what do you want to do? Let's see how to see the order of the matrix. So order of A is, what's the order? 1, 2, 3, 3 row, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 columns, so 3 by 4. Next we can guess the rank. Row of A less than or equal to, so you have to see the minimum of 3 by 4. Different, select here 3, 4. So you have to take the minimum of 3, 4. Here minimum of 3, 4 is 3 only. So rank of A less than or equal to 3. Okay. Next here 3 written. So what do you want to do? You know. Next 3 by 3 minor. So 3 by 3 minor. Okay, 3 by 3 minor. Next 3 by 3. First you take first 3 row, 3 column. So determinant 4, 3, 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, 6, 7, minus 1 equal to. Okay, here we have to find the determinant. So normal method is followed here. First 4 into. So 4 you say first row, first column. You leave the first row and first column. Remaining. So okay, minus 1, minus 2, 7, minus 1. So okay, next second element. When you are taking second element, what you want to put? Minus. What is that? 3. Next now 3 is in first one, second column. So you leave the first one, second column. Remaining elements minus 3, minus 2, 6, minus 1. Okay, next plus. Third one. Third element is 1. So 1. Determinant. Now you see the first row, last column. You have to remove remaining minus 3, minus 1, 6, 7. Okay, now 4 into minus to minus plus 1 is 1. Let's see how to put 1 minus. Let's upper value. 7 2s are 14. Already 1 minus is there, so plus 14. Okay, next minus 3 into minus into minus plus 3 1 is 3. Next minus here 1 minus, so plus 6 twos are 18 plus 1 into, here multiply minus 3 into 7 minus 3 sevens are 21. Okay, next minus, here on minus or plus 6 1 is 6. Okay, next 4 into 1 plus 14 is 15 minus 3 into 3 plus 18 is 21 plus 1 into minus 21 plus 6 greater is negative, so minus, so 21 minus 6 is 15. Okay, now we multiply 4 into 15, 4 15s are 60 minus 3 into 21 63 minus 1 into minus 15, so minus 15. So what's the value? Add the value. Question answer you can see. So question is 4 3 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 4 6 7 minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 4 3 minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 2 6 minus 1 plus 1 into minus 3 minus 1 6 7 1 plus 14 next to minus 3 plus 8. Okay, so 6 twos are 12. So 3 plus 12 15. Okay, 3 fives are 45. Okay, now you see 60, both are minus, so minus, add the value 45 plus 50 60, so 60 minus 60 equal to 0. So first minor is we got 0. Let's see how to move the second one. So you see 1, 2, 3. This 3 first you have taken. Now we are going to take first 2 column and third column. So determinant 4 minus 3 6 3 minus 1 7 minus 2 4 2. Okay. So now you find again determinant. You see 4 into. Now you need the first one, first columns, remaining, so I am going to multiply directly. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 7 4s are 28, next minus 3 into, let's say, now you need the first one, second column, so minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, minus 6 4s are 24, let's say minus 2 into, next one, now you need the first one, third column, minus 3 into 7. 7 3s are 21. Okay, let's say plus 1 6 is 6. Okay, next one. 4 minus 30 minus 3 into minus 30 minus 2 into, now you see 1 is minus, so subtract correctly, minus 15. Okay, now multiply 4 into 30 minus 120. Here minus to minus plus 3 into 30 90 plus 2 into minus 2 minus plus 2 50 30. Okay, minus 120 90 plus 30, that is 120, so plus 120. So minus 120 plus 120 is 0. So now also we got 0. So again any other possibilities means again we want to find the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, first we have taken first 3, next first 2 and last one. Now we are going to take first 1 and last 2. Okay, next 3 by 3 minor. Okay, next one is determinant first column 4 minus 3 6, next last 2 column 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 4 2. Okay, equal to, here also same determinant 4 into, we need the first one, first column, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus, so already I explained this, so that's why I am writing it here, okay. So plus 4 minus 1 into, now minus 3 into 2 minus 6 minus 6 fours are 24. Next minus 2 into, next one minus 2 minus plus 3 1 is 3 minus 6 into minus 2, so minus 12, so plus 12, okay, equal to 4 into minus 4 plus 4 0 minus 1 into minus 6 minus 24 is minus 30. Next minus 2 into 3 plus 1 is 15. Now 4 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 1 into 30 30 minus 2 into 15 30. Okay, plus 30 minus 30 is 0. So again we got determinant is 0. So one more possibility is here. Last 3 column you want to take, that is last 3 by 3 minor. Okay. So determinant 3 minus 1 7 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 4 2 equal to. Okay, now so again we are going to do 3 into. Okay, I am going to write shortly. The last column you see minus 2 4 2. The last column all the elements are multiple of 2. So if one minus also if we are taking means, so this 2 column will be equal. Okay, so I am going to take minus 2 common. So remaining first column no change, second column also no change, third column instead of minus 2 we are taken, so 1 instead of 4 1 minus taken, so minus 2 2s are 4. Then here also 1 minus 2 we are taken, so minus 1. Now we see this C2 is identically equal to C3, so I can't say directly 0. Okay, so this is taking more time. Okay, that means you use this method. So okay, again we got 0. All the 3 by 3 minus we got 0, so we got to say therefore row of A less than or equal to 2. Anyway, so 3 is not possible. Next we have to move the 2 by 2 minor. Okay, 2 by 2 minor. 2 by 2 minor. Okay, 2 by 2 minor is the first 2 row 2 column. What is that? 4 3 minus 3 minus 1. So 4 3 minus 1. Sorry, minus 3 minus 1. Now we find the determinant. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Next you have to put 1 minus. Then here also 1 minus or plus. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now you see 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, is not equal to 0. Anyway, completed. Therefore row of A equal to 2. Okay, because in 2 by 2 minor only we got not equal to 0. So row of A equal to 2. That means rank of the matrix is 2. Okay, that's all. This is minor method. Okay, in 2 by 2 minor also if you are getting equal to 0, next directly you can say the rank of A equal to 1. Okay, next one, example 1.16. Find the rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix. Rank of the following matrices which are in row Euclidean form. Okay, first is addition. 2 0 minus 7 0 3 1 0 0 1. Okay, so last class I explained about the Euclidean form. This is row Euclidean form. So if the matrix is in the form of row Euclidean means we can write the rank directly also, but here find the rank of the following matrices which are in row Euclidean form, like that given. So we are going to use the minor method. Okay, so for 1 mark we can say the answer directly. So after seeing next example you will identify. Okay, Solution. Let's see. Let A equal to. Here also you use minor method. Not mentioned there minor method. Only they ask find the rank of the following matrices which are in row echelon form. The row echelon form is given. You want to find the rank. So for this method you have to use minor. Okay. 2 0 minus 1 0 3 1 0 0 1. Okay. Here we have taken. That's what you want to do. So order of A. So order of A is 3 by 3. Okay. 3 row 3 column. So 3 by 3. So therefore row of A less than or equal to 3. Okay. So less than or equal to 3. Immediately you want to find the minor of 3. So minor of 3. So 3 by 3 minor. Okay, 3 by 3 minor is actually in the question 3 row 3 column only. So only one 3 by 3 minor is there. So we can find 2 0 minus 1 0 3 1 0 0 1 equal to. So you find determinant 2 into. Okay, 3 1 is 3 minus 0 1 is 0. Next element minus 0. So for 0 no need to do. Okay, then you will get 0. So you next element that is minus 1 into. If you the third column and first row. So what you get 0 minus 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Okay, next is 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3. Next term is 0. Again next term is 0. So what you get? 3 2s are 6. So not equal. It is not equal to 0. Anyway, so therefore row is row of A equal to, that means rank of A equal to 3 because we got not equal to 0 in 3 by 3 minus. So rank of A equal to 3. Okay, that's all. Okay, next second subdivision. So second subdivision is minus 2 2 minus 1 0 5 1 0 0 0. So here also first what you want to take? A. Okay. So solution. Let A equal to minus 2 2 minus 1 0 5 1 0 0 0. Okay, next what do you want to find? So first you have to write the order of the given matrix. The order of the matrix is 3 row 3 column. So 3 by 3. So order of A is 3 by 3. Okay, then next you can guess the rank of the matrix. Anyway, therefore row of A less than or equal to 3 because minimum of 3 by 3 is 3. Okay then. So you want to find the minor of 3 by 3 minor. Okay, 3 row 3 column. Minus 2 2 minus 1 0 5 1 0 0 0. So now you see we can find the determinant. So my last column fully, last row fully 0. So you can write the determinant is 0. Okay, anyway that's 0 only. So we can write directly. Next step. After getting 3 by 3 minus 0 means, so therefore row of A less than or equal to 2. Okay, 3 is not possible, so 2 is possible. 2 and less than 2. Okay, next you have to find 2 by 2 minor. 2 by 2 minor is, okay, first 2 minus 2 2 0 5 equal to. Now you see minus 2 into 5 minus 10. Next what you want to do? 1 minus. Next upper value 0 into 2 0. So minus 10 minus 0. That is minus 10. It is not equal to 0. Now you can say the answer now. Row of A equal to, in 2 by 2 minor we got not equal to 0. So the rank is 2. Okay, rank of the matrix is 2. So you can say row of A equal to 2. That's all. Okay, next you can move next subdivision. That is third subdivision is 6 0 minus 9 6 0 minus 9 0 2 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, here you can try this third subdivision. Already two subdivisions we have completed in same method. You try this problem. First one you want to write. First given matrix, that is A. A equal to 6, 0, minus 9, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, I have written. Next, we want to check the order of the given matrix. In this matrix, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So order of A is 4 by 3. Okay, next you have to guess the rank. How you can write row of A? You see the order in order 4 by 3. Here minimum of number is 4 or 3. 3 is the minimum. So we can guess the rank is less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 means immediately you want to find 3 by 3 minor. So 3 by 3 minor is, you see first 3 by 3 you take 6, 0, minus 9, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. Anyway you get 0 only. All last row fully, all the elements are 0. Okay, 6, right, 6, 0, minus 9, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 9. So like the previous problem. So you see last row contains all the elements are 0. So we can write the determinant directly, that is 0. So anyway, all the next 3 rows if you are taking also we will get 0. All the 3 by 3 minor we will get 0. So we guess row of A is less than or equal to 2. Next you have to find 2 by 2 minor. So very easy problem. Let's see 2 by 2 minor is first 2 row, 2 column. First row, second row. Okay, 2 row, 2 column elements. 6, 0, 0, 2 equal to, you see 6 2s are 12. That's what you want to do. Minus 10. 0 into 0 is 0. 12 minus 0, 12, which is not equal to 0. Now you say the answer. What's the answer? So row of A equal to, that is rank of the matrix is equal to 2 by 2 we got not equal to 0. So rank of A is 2. That's all. Okay, this is minor method. Okay. Next we are going to see row reduction method. Okay. Okay, next example 1.17. Find the rank of the matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 5 by reducing each to a row Euclidean form. Okay, I'll say row Euclidean form. So first you have to write the given matrix A. So that is, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 5. Okay, as I have written the given matrix is A. Already I explained about the row Euclidean form. So form is, row Euclidean form is first row, first column, first element. That is A11 should be non-zero. If it is 0, how to interchange the row? Okay. So next step. So below that first element here, first column. So we need 0. Second row first element and third row first element we need 0. So both are 0 means, let's see how to move the third row second element. So okay, that's also 0 means we can say that is Euclidean form. You see 0, 0. This is Euclidean form, that is triangular form. Okay. So now we are going to convert. So first you check the first element. It is non-zero because 1 is non-zero. So in first row no change. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is first step. Then second step, already I explained about Euclidean in last class. So you revise once again that concept. Okay, so row Euclidean form. So first we need one non-zero element. It may be more positive or negative, no problem. it is 0, you have to interchange the row below the first row. Okay, next. Now we need this place 0. What do you want to do? Think about that elimination method I told you. So elimination, if you are 3 minutes for you better this problem. So here 2, so that is R2 row. R2 gives 2, 1, 4. So for eliminating these elements, we have to use the first row. Okay. So in first row, first element is above the 2 is 1. You see? So if 1 instead of 1 minus 2 is there, means we can eliminate that first term. We will get 0. So that's why I am going to multiply first row by 2. Then I will get 1 into 2, 2. Next we can see the symbol after addition or subtraction we can do. You see? So R1 I am going to multiply by 2. 2 into R1. What will you get? 2 into 1 is 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 3s are 6. Okay. Then now you see both the same. Okay, both the elements are same. Now we can eliminate. For that we have to use subtraction. Then only we can eliminate. Minus, minus, minus. Okay, 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 4 greater is minus, so minus 4 minus 1 is 3. Next again 4 minus 6 there also greater is minus, so minus 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, now you write the first you have to write a condition. In R2 only we are doing adjustment. So R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. So elements are 0, minus 3, minus 2. Next we are going to do R3 row. So R3 gives, so we have to eliminate 3. Here also for eliminating 3 you have to use the first row. So R3 I am writing first. 3 0 5. So in R1 1 is there. If you are multiplying by 3, so you will get the same element 3 3. Okay. So I am going to multiply R1 by 3. So gives, you multiply 1 into 3 3. Okay, next 2 into 3 6. Next 2 into 3 into 3 9. Okay, and here also you want to subtract. Okay, minus. So minus, minus, minus. 3 minus 3 0. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. 5 minus 9 is greater is minus, so minus. 9 minus 5 is 4. So I can write here 0 minus 6 minus 4. Okay, condition also you want to write. What's the condition? R3 gives R3 minus 3 R1. Okay, so now you see first step over, this is non-zero. Next is the element 0. Next element also 0. Next you have to move the third row, second element, it should be 0. Then only it is Euclidean form. So I am going to convert minus 6 into 0. For that you have to use the R2 row only. You should not use the first row. Okay. If you are using first row means the first element the one will occupy. Okay. So you should not use the first row. You have to use the second row only. So now you can see next step. First two rows no change. 1 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 2. So in R3 the second element is minus 6. So I am writing R3 gives 0 minus 6 minus 4. In R1 above that minus 6 is what is there? Minus 3. If you are multiplying by 2 you will get 2 3s are 6. Same element you will get. So that's why I am going to multiply R2 by 2. You multiply and say 0. 2 into 0, that is 0. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Okay, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Okay, now here also minus because both are minus. So minus plus plus. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0. Next minus 6 plus 6, that is 0. Minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. So anyway, that all the elements are 0, no problem. Okay, 0 0 0. Now you see 1 0 1 2, at least 2. Okay, so more than 1 is no problem. This is Euclidean form. Okay, so now you can say the condition. I am not right. You see, so R3 gives, say the condition, R3 minus 2 R2. Okay. Now you can write the rank. How you have to write? You see, first you have to see the number of non-zero rows. This row, last row fully all the elements are 0. So you can't leave this row. So okay, you should not take this row. Next row. So here minus 3 is non-zero. So this row is non-zero row. Next row also non-zero row. So number of non-zero row is the rank of that matrix. So row of A equal to, so here number of non-zero row is 2. So answer is 2. Okay. That's all. Okay, this is important concept, this row reduction method. So study clearly. Okay, next we can see next program, second section. No, next exam like me. Example 1.18. Example 1.18. Find the rank of the matrix two, minus 2, 4, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 2, minus 1, 7. By reducing it to an Euclidean form. Euclidean form. Okay. So we also write the given matrix. Let A equal to 2, minus 2, 4, 3. Let's say minus 3, 4, minus 2, minus 1. Let's say 6, 2, minus 1, 7. Okay. So like last problem. So reducing it to an Euclidean form. You want to find the rank. So okay. First you have to see the first element. It is non-zero element, so you can continue first row, no change. So 2, minus 2, 4, 3. Okay. Next in second row, first element is minus 3. We have to convert into 0. So for that you have to use the first row. In first row, that element is 2. You see both are right. So okay. So 3 is not multiple of 2. 2 is not a multiple of 3. So that means you have to multiply second row by 2 and first row by 3. Then only you get the same value. Okay, see R3 I am going to R2. So R2 I am going to multiply by 2. Then what do you get? Minus 6, 8, minus 4, minus 2. Then in first row you have to multiply by 3. Then only you get same element. So my 3 into R1. You multiply 3 2s are 6. This 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now you see minus 6 plus 6. Minus minus and when you are adding you get 0. So plus. Okay, in between plus. So minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 4 plus 4. Greater is positive. So 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Let's see 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 0, 2, 8, 7. Okay, second row completed. The condition you want to write here, that is important. So R2 gives 2R2 plus 3R1. Okay, next. This is third row. Third row is, in third row the first element is 6. Use the first row, that 2. So if you are multiplying by 3, the 2 becomes 6. Okay. So R3 gives, R3 is 6, 2 minus 1, 7. So okay, only R1 we can multiply. Okay, we will get the same element. So R1 we are going to multiply by 3. 3 into R1. So 3 2s are 6. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So now you see both are same. So subtract. So minus, plus, minus, minus. 6 minus 6 is 0. 2 minus 6, sorry, 2 plus 6 is 8. Minus 8 into 0. Okay. Okay, we can convert. Okay, first two. Sorry. Here also I can write the condition. R2 gives, R3 gives R3 minus 3R1. Okay. Next condition is first row 2 minus 2 4 3. This is 0 2 8 7. Third row only we are going to change. In third row, second elements we need 0. Okay, third row second elements we need 0. So that we have to use the second equation. For elimination you have to use the second row. Okay, so R3 gives, R3 is 0 8 minus 13 minus 2. Then R2 we have to multiply by, there 2 is there. So when you are multiplying by 4, 2 becomes 8. So 4 R2. So 0. 4 2s are 8. Next 4 8s are 32. Next 4 7s are 28. Okay, now so both are same, so subtract. Okay, so minus 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 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. Minus 13 minus 32 is minus 45. Next one, so both are minus, so minus 30. Okay, so value is 0 0 minus 45 minus 30. So now you see when it is equilibrium form, R3 gives R3 minus 4R2. Okay, so it is equilibrium form. Yes, it is equilibrium form. Number of zeros in second row is less than the number of zeros in third row, so it is equilibrium form. In your book one more sir they have written, so enough this much. Okay, they have taken one, they have multiple of 5 now, so they have reduced. Okay, so no need to write one more sir, we can stop up to this much. Okay, so therefore directly we are going to write the rank. You see the number of non-zero rows, number of non-zero row means, so all the elements are 0 means that is 0 row. Okay, but here 2 elements are non-zero, so that is non-zero row only. Okay, 1 2 3, so row of A equal to 3. This is the rank of the given matrix. Okay, next problem. Example 1.19. Show that the matrix, show that the matrix 3 1 4 2 0 minus 1 5 2 1 is non-singular, is non-singular, and reduce it to the identity matrix by elementary row transformation method. Elementary row transformation method. Okay. See here, show that the matrix is a non-singular. You know, non-singular means the determinant of the given matrix is not equal to 0 means that is non-singular. So first you have to check whether it is non-singular. Next, one more question is there. Reduce it to the identity matrix. Identity matrix means how to convert the given matrix into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. You have to do carefully. You see, okay. First given matrix A equal to, okay, A equal to 3 1 4 2 0 minus 1 5 2 1. Okay, 5 2 1. Next, what you want to do? Find the determinant of A because we want to show that it is non-singular. So determinant A equal to determinant 3, 1, 4, 2, 0, minus 1, 5, 2, 1. Okay, find the determinant. You know to find determinant 3 into. So can you the first one, first column remaining 0 into 1 is 0, minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, so plus 2. Okay, next minus 1 into. You need the first one, second column 2, 1 is 2, minus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, so plus 5. Okay, next remove the third element, that is 4, so plus 4 into. You leave the first one, third column 2 2s are 4, minus 0 into 5 is 0. Okay, next 3 into 0 plus 2 is 2, minus 1 into 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 4 into 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, now you see 3 2s are 6, minus 1 7 is 7, plus 4 4s are 16. See the value. 16 plus 6, 22 minus 7 is 15. So 15 is not equal to 0. Okay, we got not equal to 0, so you can say hence or therefore A is non-singular. A is non-singular. Okay, because determinant A is not equal to 0. So first part we have completed. Okay. Then second, you have to convert the given matrix into its identity matrix. You have to do carefully. So like row opinion. Okay, row transformation method only we are going to use. So first A already we have written, isn't it? So first step we are going to do. So answering right, A equal to 3 1 4 2 0 minus 1 5 2 1. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you see what you have to do. Transformation method. Okay. So elementary transformation method we are going to use. First you have to convert 3 into what I told unit matrix is, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you have to convert the given matrix into this form. Okay. So first step we need first element is 1, but here 3 is 3 house. So instead of 3 we need 1. So what do you do? So if we are multiplying by 1 by 3 means you will get 1 3. You see 3 into 1 by 3, what do you get? 1. Okay, so that's what I am going to do. So R1 gives 1 by 3 into R1. All the elements you multiply by 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3. Already I multiplied, so that is 1. Next 1 into 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3 means 1 by 3. Next 4 into 1 by 3. What do you get? 4 into 1 4. So 4 by 3. There are so 4 by 3. Okay, first law completed. Okay, next law is not change in this step. Okay, here actually it's 2 0 minus 1 5 2 1. Okay, first step completed. So after completing the first step, next you need the first column next 2 element 0. So we can't see next 2 elements. Okay, you see the next 2 elements. It is 2 and 5. You know to convert into 0. In last problem reduction method and is isn't it? So R2 gives. So what you can do? R2 gives. When you are multiplying R1 by 2, you will get the same element. So I am going to do. So R2 is 2 0 minus 1. So R1 I am going to multiply by 2. Okay. So now what you get? 2 into 1 2. 2 into 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 means numerator only you have to multiply. 2 into 1. Okay, 2 into 1 by 3 means this one you multiply first. 2 into 1 is 2. So remaining by 3. Okay. So like that next term also. 4 is there. So 2 into 4 into sorry. 2 into 4 by 3. 2 4s are 8. So 8 by 3. Okay. You should not multiply here. 3 2s are 6. 6 into 4. Okay. You should not do like that. This is multiplication. So numerator into numerator. 2 4s are 8. So 8 by 3. Okay. Next. Additional subtraction. Here same. So subtract. Then we will get 0. So minus, minus, minus. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay. 0 minus 2 by 3 is minus 2 by minus 8 by 3. See carefully, minus 1 minus 8 by 3. This 3 multiply with minus 1. What is that? Minus 3. Then minus 8 by 3. Okay, that's it. Minus 3 minus 8. Both are minus. So put minus. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 by 3. So what's the value? Minus 11 by 3. So okay, R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. Okay, R1 elements are 1 by 3, 4 by 3. Next row element is 0 minus 2 by 3 minus 11 by 3. Next we have to convert R3. Okay, R3 first element we have to convert into 0. Actually there 5 is there. So R3 gives R3 is 5, 2, 1. Then R1 if you are multiplying by 5 you get same element. So 5 is 1, 5. 5 into 1 by 3, 5 by 3. 5 into 4 by 3 and I told only you have to multiply the numerator. Okay, 5 fours are 20, so 20 by 3. Okay, now here also you have to subtract minus, minus, minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 5 by 3. See the calculation, 2 minus 5 by 3. So multiply. So 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 by 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 by 3. Okay. So 1 by 3. Okay. Next element. 1 minus 20 by 3. So here also multiply. 3 into 1. 3. Minus 20 by 3. 3 minus 20 means that is greater is minus. So minus 20 minus 3 is 17. So 70 minus 17 by 3. Okay. Now third one you can write 0, 1 by 3 minus 17 by 3. Okay, the condition is R3 gives R3 minus 5R1. Okay, next. Okay, next. What is the step? Next you have to convert this column. Right? This element we need 1. So actually 0, 1, 0. Anyway, all the columns first you have to convert that's 1 only. Okay, then only you can continue next step. So okay. First column no change. Okay. So 1, 1 by 3 row also. 4 by 3. Now we are going to convert second row. Third row also no change. So R2 gives. So actually we have to convert minus 2 by 3 into 1, isn't it? So we multiply the reciprocal of that value. That value is minus 3 by 2. Okay, minus 3 by 2 into R2. Then what is that? 0, 1. So we multiply minus 11 by 3 into minus 3 by 2. 3, 3 cancel. Minus into minus plus 11 by 2. Okay. Second row completed. Okay, third row no change in this step. So 1 by 3 minus 17 by 3. Okay, next step. So we need these two places 0. So for that you have to use the R2. So that's why first we have converted into 1. Okay. So R1 gives. So what you can say? Now you can say the step R1 gives R1 minus 1 by 3 R2. Okay. R1 gives R1 minus 1 by 3. If you are multiplying by 1 by 3 you get 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 you get 0. So first 0. 1, 0, next value 11 by 2 into 1 by 3, what do you get? 11 by 6, isn't it? Minus 11 by 6, so 4 by 3 minus, so 11 by 6, take LCM taking means 8 minus 11 by 6, 8 minus 11 means minus 3 by 6, so 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, we calculate, okay, you get the answer, minus 1 by 2. Next second row no change. 0, 1, 11 by 2. Next third row also you have to R3 gives R3 minus this value. Okay, 1 by 3 into R2. Okay, same this two value you get 0. Next value you find. Actually in R3 minus 17 by 3 minus 1 by 3 R2. You multiply by 1 by 3. 11 by 2 multiply by 1 by 3. What do you get? So minus 17 by 3. So multiply 11 by 6. Minus 11 by 6. Okay. Take LCM. LCM is 6. 3 to 6 LCM. LCM is 6. Here you multiply by 2. 2 into 17. Minus 34. Minus 11. So you get minus 45 by 6. You can cannot simplify here. So 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. So minus 15 by 2. Okay. Okay, next step. See how to convert in third column. Third element is 1. Okay. So for that you have to multiply by reciprocal of that element. Already there minus 15 by 2 is there. So reciprocal of minus 15 by 2 is minus 2 by 15. Okay. So we can do now. R3 gives minus 2 by 15 into R2. R3. Okay. So what you get? 1 0 minus 1 by 2. 0 1 11 by 2. 0 0 1. Okay. Okay, let's two more step. Okay, we can do quickly. So let's see how to convert these two elements into 0. So very easy. So if you are multiplying by R3 by 1 by 2, you will get 0 here. If you are multiplying R3 by 11 by 2, so you will get here 0. Okay, very simple. No need calculation. Easily you can write. Only condition you have to write correctly. R1 gives R1. Okay, here minus, here plus. So plus 1 by 2 R3. Okay, R3 only you want to use. Okay, let's see. R2 gives R2. Actually, in R2 in this place 11 by 2. Here 1 minus 11 by 2 means we get 0. So minus 11 by 2 into R3. 1 into 11 by 2 is 11 by 2. Okay. Now you write the answer. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So okay, we got the unit matrix. Okay. So that's the answer. The steps are somewhat lengthy but easy problem only. Okay. So important problem. Okay, completed. Next homework is so row reduction and minor method homework you can do. Exercise 1.2. First one, first subdivision, second, third, fourth, 5 subdivisions are there. This is minor method. Okay. Then second problem is row reduction method. Okay. So after trying this problem, we will get the idea about rank. Okay, minor and row reduction method.